For this bonnet tutorial, we'll be needing our fabric, our elastic, our pins, our chalk, our safety pins, scissors, and matching thread. Because of the kind of bonnet we're doing, reversible bonnet, we'll be needing another fabric. I'll not be using this matching thread so that we can all see where I am sewing. So this fabric is 30 by 30 inches and it will be folded into 4 like so. So I'm going to be measuring 13 inches length, 13 inches round, just the way I am doing it like this. I'm going to be measuring it round and connecting all the points to cut out. So I just use pin to secure it so that when I'm connecting, it's not going to shift. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that out and do same for the other fabric. This is me, I've done so. So I'm going to open the, just notch the sides to know where to open, notch also the pink. I just later folded it to notch it back. Then we're going to place it on each other and secure it with a pin round. Secure it with pins round. For this pin cushion, I have done a tutorial on my TikTok, so you can just go and check that out if you're interested. So yeah, we just secure it round. When I'm sewing, I'm going to leave 3 inches. I'll show you that. After sewing, if you see, I left 3 inches opening so that we can turn it out. So all the places I sewed, I just went to notch those sides for easy turning. Just turned it out and you have your circular fabric, so you go ahead to iron it. So I got a smaller bonnet so that you can see all what I'm doing. So I use 1 inch on round the bonnet. Use your chalk to take 1 inch round the bonnet. This 1 inch will serve as the extra in front of the reversible bonnet. So this is me just taking 1 inch, leaving space for the 3 inches that I had left open where I turned the bonnet. Now I'll take another ½ inch inside, and that place that I left open will be closed in the ½ inch. If you see it, it is closed. Only the place I took 1 inch is open. I took 16 inches of elastic and just tape it into that space of ½ inch. I pinned the elastic so that I will not miss the elastic inside the casing. Just place it like so, just how you're seeing in the video. So I pull it out where I started and just went ahead to my sewing machine to sew down the elastic together. I prefer sewing than tying because it secures it a lot. Then I go ahead to cover up the first one and cover up the place that I had opened earlier. So this is how your reverse bonnet is supposed to look. If you have any questions, you can send it to me.